Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Civilization 5. To begin, your primary objective is to guide a civilization from ancient times to the modern era, aiming for global dominance or cultural influence. You start with a single city and a few units, then strategically expand your territory. Each turn, you make decisions about city production, unit movement, and research, shaping the destiny of your people. It's a grand strategy game where every choice matters. Effective city management is crucial for success. When founding a city, consider its proximity to resources such as fresh water, food, and production tiles. You'll then choose what to build, from military units to essential infrastructure like granaries or libraries. Assign your citizens to work specific tiles to maximize your output of food for growth, production for building, and gold for maintenance and trade. Exploration is key in the early game. Send out your initial scout to reveal the map, discover ancient ruins, and meet other civilizations. As your empire grows, strategically settle new cities to claim vital resources and expand your influence. When conflicts arise, you'll need to build a strong military. Understand unit strengths and weaknesses, and use terrain to your advantage in tactical combat encounters. Civilization 5 offers 5 distinct paths to victory: domination, science, culture, diplomacy, or a time victory if no other condition is met by the final turn. You'll constantly be researching new technologies to advance your civilization and unlock powerful units and buildings. Diplomacy plays a significant role, allowing you to forge alliances, trade resources, or declare war, all influencing your chosen path to global supremacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.